Hello traders. So those of you who got the TradeCopier from Fast Track Trading, the free version from this website where you entered your credentials and everything inside of here, we just wanted to let you know the limitations that are on that version of the TradeCopier. So you are able to connect into NinjaTrader, which is great, and you're also able to connect into your Fast Track Trading accounts. Now, this was set up so that you're able to copy your trades only from your Fast Track Trading account into your own Fast Track Trading account without the ability to connect to other prop trading firms and copy your trades from there. That is why we limited the connection to only allow Fast Track Trading when you set up your Rhythmic connections, and inside of NinjaTrader to only grab the SIM accounts that you have created. So won't be able to grab any live accounts or any other accounts from any other prop trading firm. It's only going to be the default NinjaTrader SIM accounts that you're able to copy from. That is pretty much it. Also, if you want to hop in to our Discord, we have a link to our Discord in the description in the video below, and you can hop into our community and see what's going on. And if you have any issues, please let us know directly in our Discord. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys around. Bye-bye.